Hi, welcome to Shweta's vlog. So आज मैं है to explore one more place and this is a Brown Burger Co. तो हम ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे and we saw this. So I just wanted to see what is there in, क्योंकि बर्गर तो सभी को पसंद है and even my daughter loves burger a lot. तो हम आए अंदर and I was, amazed to see the outlet. It's really beautiful. And ऐसे ही मैं I was debugging कि क्या है ये कैसा this company happened and all that. So this is started by three friends. एक तो फूड एंथुजियास्ट है और एक है डेंटिस्ट और एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल. So all the three came together with an idea that burgers are liked by mostly teenagers and kids. So adult भी खाते हैं but ज़्यादातर यही खाते हैं, तो it should be healthy. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि the buns which are made with मैदा and other ingredients which is unhealthy, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि जो बर्गर का बन होता है उसको हम मल्टीग्रेन में बनाएंगे तो दैट विल बी मोर हेल्दी. तो उसी आइडिया से उन्होंने ये कंपनी स्टार्ट की इन 2014 एंड as of now they have more than 50 outlets all over India. तो बैंगलोर में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है. I can see few outlets, that's why I came to check it out. और मेन्यू में देख रही हूँ as of now and it's really nice. They have a lot of varieties of dishes, especially burgers in different variants. So yes, overall it's a nice startup. When there are giants like मैकडोनल्ड्स और किंग बर्गर ये सब है, तो उसके आगे एक छोटा सा इनोवेटिव आइडिया जो अभी वर्क कर रहा है इज़ रियली नाइस. क्योंकि एमएनसी के अगेंस्ट हमारा जो स्मॉल स्टार्टअप्स होता है तो दैट विल नॉट सर्वाइव वेरी easily. Takes lot of hard work and time, but anyways it's good and the outlet is also very good and just waiting for the items to come. So in meanwhile I was checking their menu and ये देखो इतना सारा है इनका items and you can go and check it out क्या क्या आप लेना चाहते हो. They have veg non-veg both, so yes there are a lot of varieties of things you can try it out. और मेरी बेटी zoom कर करके ले रही है videos and this is what we got. These are the fries which are in a different shape. hot and spicy burger हमने ली और मिल्क शेक ली. So you can see the size of the burger and how it is, and it is totally different from what we usually eat. So it's like a mega big burger. So yes, overall we liked it and it looks really good. And you can also go and check out in the outlet ki aapko kaisa laga. And yes, if you really like you can tell me.